Hey guys, it's Hayla here and this is my Dorothy Gale makeup tutorial. All the products used today will be listed throughout the video. Music used is listed at the end of the video. Please remember to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on other social media that I may or may not have, share with friends, family, etc. And as always, leave any comments or requests in that little comments box below.
So what you want to do to start off with is take a concealer that matches your skin colour and apply it to any areas that may need it. And then take your favourite foundation and apply that over the top. Then taking a warm brown to dark brown eyeliner, you want to line both your upper and lower lash lines. And then taking a reddish brown eyeshadow, you want to apply that over your eyes, focusing it more in the crease and then blending it out around. Then taking a lighter colour, almost the same as your foundation but a bit more shimmery, pat that down onto the centre of the eyelids and blend that into the darker brown. Then taking that same darker brown, I've applied that to the sides of my forehead and just under the jawline. Taking a rosy pink blush, very lightly apply it to the apples of your cheeks and blend it out into your foundation. Take your favourite mascara and apply it to your eyelashes. Then fill in your brows if need be. Then apply a pink lipstick to your lips. What I did here was take a beigey brown, almost grey eyeshadow and applied that to the top of where the collar of the neck piece would be. I didn't apply it in a very straight line just because the material wasn't going to be straight around my neck. And then I've applied the body paint into the centre of my chest into a sort of square shape. And then I've also applied it to the shoulders in more of a puffy chef's hat looking shape as well. Then taking a light blue body paint, you'll want to add in the stitching around the collar of the neck and on both sleeves as well. Using that same blue, you create all the vertical stripes in the blue onto the checkered part of the dress. And then carefully go between those with the white. Then going back to that blue again, you'll want to do horizontal lines across the stripes that you've already created. Using a bit of grey eyeshadow, I went through and created all the wrinkles, folds and shadows that I could see in my reference photo of the dress, and added a few here and there where I thought it would look a bit better. As I go throughout, I do deepen up the shadows a bit and use a bit more black into the deeper parts of the shadows and then blend it out quite heavily. And if at any point you do feel it gets a bit muddy, you can always go back in with some white body paint to create more of a highlight and make the shadows really pop. And I didn't like how my shoulders were, as hers seemed a bit less bulgy, I suppose, than mine, so I went in with some black body paint and just outlined the top of where the dress ended so that it would blend into the background.